The wrench's purpose is to give you a dry place to sit when it rains.
This is the wrench.
If one side is wet, pull the pin, rotate the bench, and the other side is available for sitting.
The special fabric we use to help the bench dry more quickly is a water-retardant material called the Zorb. Upgrade.
Started.
So at first our plan was to use a water absorbent material, but eventually we figured that it's a better idea to just do a water retardant material. So the water will just bounce off and it'll still be a bit wet after all the water bounced off, so you flip it and it's a dry side.
So, how does it work?
So it rains, and then you spin it, and it's dry.
What was the prototype made of? As you can see, we have a skewer in the middle that's rotating the bench, and that represents the axle. And the sticks, the popsicle sticks we used in the inside, represents the sitting part. And this outer blue layer represents the Zorb cloth. In our future prototype, we'll have a lever in the middle right there that represents the turning of the wrench. Prototype upgrade. You can see right here I took apart the wrench so I could add the rotating lever. Right now I'm finishing and waiting for it to dry. The things we mainly used for our wrench were craft bond glue and popsicle sticks and skewers. Okay, I'm realizing that it's taking a long time to dry, so it may not be ready until morning. So this is what the final should look like. There should be a lever right there to turn the bench. The prototype lever will be made out of a skewer, but the real lever will be made out of metal. So right now, it is morning and the wrench just dried, and now I can actually turn it by the lever, so that's good.
In America, we like being outside and we like patriotism. Rain, however, like a communist plot from an Orwellian novel, is always out to ruin that. But in classic American fashion, a capitalist has thought of something to sell to fix that problem. The wrench, like a gift from capitalist heaven, is out to solve that problem and to fix all your barbecues and firework parties. With this product, the threat of the communist rain will be gone forever. Whenever it rains, you can go inside, eat your hamburgers, and then once it stops, go back outside, pull the pin, flip the bench over to a dry side, and you'll be back to the party before the fireworks start. So pick a wrench for the patio and let the party continue. So your party doesn't have to end when the rain starts. Simply just wait for it to end, go back outside, and let the party rage on into the night. We got here the pin, pull the pin, and then it'll move. Put it back in, and it won't move. We've got the seating part here, and that's where the fabric will be. This is the part that spins. One side will be wet, and the other side is dry. At least one side will always be dry, if that's the plan. There's a solar panel, and the solar panel charges the phone charger. Because that's just there, because we're that awesome. So that's the wrench. It's a bench that rotates. In light of recent events, we have taken out the lever, and now we're just using a pin like on a workout machine.
So that's it. That's our wrench.